Hey guys, it's Judy here. Welcome to today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that I was sent from a website called Stylevana. Now, Stylevana is an online shop where you can purchase the trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products. They're dedicated to sourcing the latest and trendiest Asian makeup and beauty and fashion and bring it to us with affordable prices. They also regularly have sales going on their website. There are also coupon codes everywhere. I have one right here that you can use, INF10 Kikay, if you want to purchase anything off their website and save some money on your purchase. They sent me some stuff that I could try out and share with you guys. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but the code that I have been given from Stylevana is an affiliate code where I will get a small commission from it if you choose to use that code or purchase anything off the website using the links in the description box down below. So without further ado, I wanted to share some things with you guys that they sent me. Some of these things are actually really super cute. Now, I'm obviously not going to be trying this on today because I already have a face of makeup on, but the first thing is this Angel in the Sky Vitamin Real Ampoule mask. From the looks of it, it is a vitamin mask. It's Korean skincare, and we all know Koreans got the most amazing skin out there, and Korean skincare is top notch and everybody is talking about it. So this mask is 100% cotton. It's hydrating. Everything on the back is pretty much in Korean. Oh no, it's not. I lied. This mask is effective in moistening. It's moistening and nourishing the skin with a vitamin ingredient and a pomegranate extract to give a refreshed feeling to the skin. The mask sheet contains mulberry extract, sea buckthorn extract, and soybean extract, which helps smooth the skin and create clean and healthy skin. It's everything you kind of want in a mask. I'm really looking forward to this. I tend to put on masks while I'm editing videos because editing videos takes hours and hours. If you're a content creator, you'll know what I'm talking about. Well, it takes me hours anyway, and I don't really enjoy editing videos. But when it comes to masking while I'm editing videos, it kind of helps me calm down at the same time, and it kind of makes me feel like I'm multitasking because I'm a multitasker. I have to have at least two things going at any given time, which probably stems from the job that I do. I'm a chef. But and also can be quite detrimental to my mental health. So sometimes it's good to just slow down and relax and take a deep breath, but I do like to mask while I am editing videos. That brings me to the next product, which is also a hydration mask. This one is a blueberry hydrating mask. Now, this one actually looks really cute. The packaging is really cute and it feels really squishy on the inside, which is kind of what you want from a mask. You don't really want it to be dry. Those are two masks that I got from Stylevana. You'll find these linked in the description box down below if you wanted to try them out for yourself. I'm not exactly sure how much this one retails for, but all the details you need to know will be in those links. They also sent me this Chica and Chico one-shot eye palette. Now, I did get one of these in a different shade in the last Stylevana video that I did, and I was actually really happy to get this because it is such a really cute, versatile, beautiful little palette. The shades are very pigmented and smooth and blendable. They're very easy to build up to get to a desired opacity. You can use this palette for like everyday eyeshadow looks, and maybe even use some of this or this one as a blush even. The pans are quite small, but having said that, it's a really great palette for traveling if you wanted to take it with you. Well, who's traveling these days, but you know what I mean. This shade was actually shattered when I received the palette, so that's why it looks kind of dirty and dusty, but it's just that that one was completely broken absolutely everywhere, but I was able to pat it back into the palette, and it is a really beautiful, soft and pigmented shade. Now, you're probably going to want a bit of a base when you apply this shimmer on your eyelid, because I found I needed a primer to help these shadows stand out and adhere to the skin, and that's just most eyeshadows anyway. So that was a really cute one. I'm really excited to try that one out and just probably even use it for like everyday makeup when I can be bothered applying everyday makeup. I literally don't even wear makeup anymore these days because it's all about the mask. It's mandatory in my area to wear a mask when I leave the house, so I don't really wear very much makeup, which is why I'm really glad to have received skincare, because I'm all about skincare these days. That brings me to the next product, which is this Aquatide Resurface Serum. Now, this has so many good reviews online. Now, it doesn't smell amazing. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the taste that you get when you bite into an apricot seed. Now I know apricot seeds are hard, but if you like break into the center of it and you bite what's inside it, that's what it tastes like. It tastes really like astringent and chemically. That's what I feel like this tastes at. It's such a random thing to think that this smells like an apricot seed on the inside. It's such a random thing, but that's literally the only way that I could describe it. Apparently apricot seeds on the inside are really good for you. They just taste horrible, like absolutely horrible. But anyway, that's besides the point. That's just what it smells like. But I've heard so many good reviews on this Aquatide Resurface Serum. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's got niacinamide from what I heard, and Aquatide. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure it's good for your skin. I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. I love serums. I love resurfacing serums, ones that just kind of like, not strip the skin, but kind of give me a new lease on life on the surface of my skin, because I need, without the makeup, you'll see that I need all the help I can get. Now the last item is actually really super cute and adorable. This one is a wine lip tint, and it comes in this little box right here. And look at this, it's such a cute packaging. It's in a literal wine bottle. You twist the top and the lip tint is on the inside like that. It's a really nice applicator, and it's very pigmented lip tint. When I first received this, I did swatch it, and it stained my hand for hours on end. So you know that the life of this is going to be really super good on your lips. And yeah, that's all the items that I got from Stylevana. If you guys do want to check out their website, all the information that you need is in the description box down below. If you want to purchase anything off their website and you want to save a little bit of extra money, you can use INF10 Kikay to save some money on your purchase, and that really means a lot to me. It's actually very exciting to me to have a coupon code to be able to share with you guys, because it's the first one that I've got that is an affiliate one. So it's really exciting to me to be able to be noticed by brands like this. So yeah, it's just a little something that I can share with you guys. Now that's all the stuff that I got from Stylevana. If you did want to check them out, again, the website is in the description box down below. Go check it out. And that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. Subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Now Stylevana is an online shop where you can it's not going well.